Hi everyone, in front of me I've got T-Phone 6 Pro, and let me share with you how to use, how to enable and how to customize the nightlight or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and a quick disclaimer, right now I'll show you how to customize this mode, and after that I'll show much faster access to it. So after entering the settings, we have to tap on the display. And as you can see, on the third position we've got the option nightlight. Of course you can turn it on without the customization just by tapping on the switcher here, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, if you really like to use your device at night, then this option is totally for you. So if you want to customize it, just tap on the nightlight right here, and as you can see we've got two different options to choose from to customize. So let's begin with the intensity, and with this switcher we can change the colors, let's say. So by going to the left we can make the screen much cooler, in the cooler tones, and by going to the right, much warmer. It's almost orangish. I'm not really sure how it looks like on the camera, but in the real life, trust me, it's like orange. So of course set it just like you want to set the option which is the most comfortable for you. You can also set the schedule. So currently we've got the none option, which simply is let's say a manual option, so you have to turn on and off the nightlight manually. You can turn it on at custom time or from sunset to sunrise. So by picking the sunset to sunrise, then your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are, probably network based or location based, something like that, and then it will turn on and off the nightlight. At custom time, on the other hand, you can pick the start and end time. So for example, the start time 2 p.m. and end time at 6 a.m. and as you can see the screen turned into those yellowish tones, of course because we are between the start and the end time. But let me actually turn off the schedule, and basically this is it. This is how to customize the nightlight or a comfort mode, and now I can show much faster access to it. So if you want to turn on or off the nightlight immediately, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully in order to open this section, and as you can see the nightlight icon immediately appears right here. If for some reason you cannot find it here, no worries, just tap on this edit icon, scroll down, and here in this section the nightlight will be shown for sure. So let me go back. And basically the nightlight is turned on right now, as you can see. After tapping on it we can turn it off and the screen will get back to its normal state, and the same situation if you want to turn it on again. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the nightlight or eye comfort mode in your T-Phone 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.